Intermediate 15. The ethics of fast fashion and consumer responsibility. The fast fashion industry has revolutionized the way we consume clothing by making trendy designs available at incredibly low prices. By drastically shortening the lead time from the catwalk to the store, retailers have encouraged a disposable culture where clothes are worn only a few times before being discarded. However, this convenience comes at a staggering environmental and social costs. The industry is one of the world's largest polluters, responsible for immense water consumption, toxic chemical runoff, and massive carbon footprint. Furthermore, the drive for low prices often leads to poor working conditions and unfair wages for garment workers in developing nations. As awareness of these issues grows, the conversation is shifting towards consumer responsibility and slow fashion. Ethical consumerism involves making conscious choices to support brands that prioritize sustainability and fair labor practices. This might mean buying fewer high-quality items that are designed to last or participating in the second-hand and upcycling movements, while governments must implement stricter regulations to hold corporations accountable. Individual actions also play a crucial role in signaling a demand for change. By choosing quality over quantity and demanding transparency from manufacturers, we can help transform the fashion industry into a more equitable and sustainable force for good.